Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 2nd. I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I think this right here is very clearly the end of a correction, which would make this a 1, 2, and 3. I think we're very clearly in a wave 3, and most wave 3s do go to the 161% Fibonacci extension, which puts us all the way up to about the 2540, 2550 area. So overall, I am definitely very bullish. Going down to the weekly time frame, this nice five-way pattern right here, I think is the 1. I think this is a 2. I think that we're in a wave 3 already, which would make this a subdivision 1, 2, and 3. So we're currently in a wave 3 of 3, and wave 3s are supposed to be the biggest, strongest waves of a trend. So a wave 3 of 3 would be even a stronger wave. So definitely very bullish. We are sitting at the 100% Fibonacci extension, which could be an area of resistance, but even if it is, I still think that looking for longs is definitely the better bet. So going down to the daily time frame, this is the end of that big wave 2 I was just showing. This is the subdivision of 3, 1 of 3, 2 of 3. Like I said, I believe we're in a wave 3 of 3. Maybe this Fibonacci level will be an area of resistance, maybe not. Either way, I personally would be focused on going long, especially because I believe we're in a wave 3 of wave 3. So taking it down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, like I keep saying, we are at a Fibonacci level, but price does not have to stop here. It could easily just keep on drifting up. Maybe this will be an area for a pullback. Your guess is probably as good as mine. I personally wouldn't even be caring about the moves to the downside, but instead I'd be looking for longs at the end of every single pullback I see for the continuation of this uptrend. The big money right now is definitely looking for longs in an uptrend. Going down to the 1-hour time frame, I think we already have the end of a correction. Looks like 1, 2, 3 waves down, 38% fib bounce. Maybe this is a wave 5 right here, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Maybe it is going to respect this high right here and make a push down, which would take out the low like this, make a big proper correction. Like I said, your guess is probably as good as mine and whether or not it's actually going to make that correction. There's definitely ways of knowing when this wave 5 is over if you learn how to read charts. So definitely, if you're interested in that, definitely check out my membership program. But like I said, this just as easy as it could make a correction, it could easily just keep on drifting up. I personally would be doing absolutely nothing but looking for longs right now. So if it did go down like this, I personally wouldn't even trade it to the short side, but instead I would be taking it to the long side, especially because I believe we're in a wave 3 of 3 on the weekly, daily, and monthly time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here below. As always, thank you and happy trading.